Hello and welcome to Wildlife Animals in Africa channel. Wildlife Animals in Africa is a channel to explore the wild animal world, a place where you can witness the encounters of predators in the wild, such as tigers, lions, crocodiles, snakes, eagles. The content of our videos is produced with thrilling elements, excitement, and sometimes to evoke a chilling or emotional response from the audience. We always listen to the feedback of our channel's viewers, and all the contributed opinions and comments under our videos are acknowledged to improve the quality and appeal of our videos. We sincerely thank the viewers who have been following and supporting our channel. See you soon in our upcoming videos. Goodbye.